Hello everybody, hello children, hello, how are you? Today is Wednesday and Thursday, so that next week we finish natural science and social science and we do the natural science and social science test, okay? It's important that you follow the sessions because otherwise you're going to get lost, and next week we have to do the test. Today we are going to talk about the difference between cultivated plants and wild plants. Do you remember the difference between domestic animals and wild animals? Well, it's something very similar. Cultivated plants are plants that are cultivated in our houses or in our crops, in our gardens. Wild plants are the plants that grow without being cultivated. Is that clear? Well, let's see some examples. Are there any plants in your school? Are there plants in our school or in your house? Yes, there are. And where are they? In our school, they are in the hallways, and in your house, probably they are in the living room or in the dining room, or maybe in the bedrooms. Some people have them in the bathrooms as well. Okay, and we are going to listen to a piece of information about plants.
We can grow plants in our home, in gardens, or in parks. Farmers grow cultivated plants as crops. These plants can be used for food, medicine, perfume, cosmetics, and clothes.
Okay, so cultivated plants can be grown in our houses, in gardens, or in parks. And farmers can also grow cultivated plants as crops. This word has come around many times. Crops son cultivos, you remember this. These plants can be used for food. Cultivated plants can be used for food. Cultivated plants can be used for medicine. Cultivated plants can be used for making perfume. Cultivated plants can be for making creams and things for cosmetics, and also for making clothes. Some clothes are made of cotton or linen, and these are types of plants. Okay, match the type of cultivated plant to the photo. So here we have cotton, potted plants, and flowers in a park. We have to match the words with the picture. Let's go. Crops of cotton. This is cotton. So here we match. Crops of cotton. Potted plants. What are potted plants? Pot is maceta. So potted plants are plants that are in a pot. So here we got them. Here. And then flowers in a park. Which are these? Okay, and we have activity 2 finished. Let's go to activity 3. Okay, place the stickers. What are the products made from? We don't have the stickers, but we have the words. Here, for example, I'm going to tell you 3 different options. I'm going to tell you pasta. I'm going to tell you clothes, and I'm going to tell you perfume. And here we have made from wheat. What is wheat? Wheat is trigo. So made from wheat, and we write here pasta. So we write an example, okay? Pasta. Is made from wheat. Made from cotton, and one example is a t-shirt. and made from lavender, and one example is a perfume. For example, the t-shirt, instead of writing it, I'm going to draw it. Made from cotton, a t-shirt, and made from lavender, a perfume of lavender, which is a little bit like this. Okay, and here we have activity 3. Made from wheat, pasta. Another thing made from wheat is bread. We could also make a picture of bread. Bread or pasta made from cotton, a t-shirt, and made from lavender, a perfume. Page 89. 89. At page 89, we are going to talk about wild plants, not cultivated plants. The opposite of cultivated plants is wild plants, okay? Let's listen.
We do not grow wild plants. They grow in nature in places with soil. They get water from the rain.
Okay, this is super important. We do not grow wild plants. We do not grow them. They grow in nature. They grow on their own. So we don't go and put the seed and wait for them to grow. No, they grow in a natural way. Okay? In places with soil, with tierra. They get water from the rain. So do we water them with a hose or with a water can? No. They get water from the rain. So that's why they are wild. They grow on their own. They get water from the rain. And they grow in nature. This is an example of wild flowers and wild grasses. Wild flowers and wild grasses. Now we go to activity 1. We have a picture with 2 different types of plants. On this side, we have an orchard. What's an orchard? An orchard es un huerto. This is an orchard and you can see the fence. And here we have wild plants. So which side do we have to color? Do we have to color this part? No, because we have to color the wild plants. Which are the wild plants? These ones here. So we have to color all these plants that you can see here. All this, okay? So you color this area. You have to color it, okay? So in your house you color this and you don't color this. You color only this. Why? Because we are coloring the wild plants. The wild plants. Now I'm going to make you some questions and you have to answer me. We are going to talk about wild plants. And I'm going to make you some questions. Can wild plants grow in a forest? 1, 2, 3. Yes, they can. Can wild plants grow on a farm? No, they can't. Can wild plants grow in a park? Well, they can, but it's not the general thing, okay? The general thing is that in a park there are cultivated plants. Can wild plants grow in a garden? No, in a garden we grow cultivated plants. On a road, on the sides of the road, Yes, on the sides of the road we have wild plants. And what about in a pot? What type of plant do we have in a pot? Wild plants or cultivated plants? Well done, cultivated plants. Okay? Well, and this is the end of our session for today. It was very short. Remember to color this picture. Remember to color that side of the picture, okay? You have to color the wild plants. These are cultivated plants, you don't have to color, and these are wild plants. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.